What's up, guys? Wanted to jump on here and just go over some of the upcoming changes to Facebook ads. So if you currently use Facebook's business manager to run ads for yourself or clients, I'm sure you've already heard about iOS 14, the upcoming changes that are going to be happening. So I wanted to dive into two things that you need to do right away for yourself or your clients. And I'm sure there'll be more coming out after some of this initial rollout. This isn't currently live yet, but it could be any day now. So go ahead and get this stuff done. Make sure it's good to go, and you should be okay. We're all going to be going through a learning period. But with that being said, if you guys need help advertising your business online as well, feel free to hit me up. So I'm going to be doing a 3-day leads challenge again sometime this month. So if you want to get in on that, go ahead and text demo to 319-250-6868. This will be completely on Facebook without running ads. I'm going to show you guys how to get 50 to 100 leads per day. But if you do want to run some ads to your business to get more leads, make more sales, feel free to hit me up as well. I'm willing to take on like one more client right now. And then I'm working with a few other clients, building their funnels, running some ads for them, setting up their backend automation with email, their follow-up sequences, and doing that cool stuff. So if you need help with stuff like that, let me know. With that being said, I'm going to share my screen here so you guys can see what exactly you need to do. So inside of your business manager account, if you go to business settings, which you can do right here, this little gear takes you to business settings. Go down to brand safety and go to domains. Make sure any domains that you have that you're going to be running Facebook ads to are verified. If they're not verified after this iOS 14 update, your ads will be paused. So you won't be able to actually run ads unless that domain is verified. So an easy way to actually verify this is they give you a little text file. You can go to your DNS manager. I use Cloudflare just for the free SSL, and they have some other nice features. But basically, you're going to create a new record. From this drop down, you want to select the TXT. Just put in the @ symbol for your domain there and paste that little text file that they give you. Hit save. You can see this is mine right here, Facebook domain verification. And once that was done, all I had to do was go back to business settings and hit verify, and it took like 5 seconds. So now I can run ads to this domain without any issues. My clients will need to do the same thing. So if you need help finding this, aside from this video, feel free to comment below or shoot me a message, and I can walk you through that. As far as actually running ads, I'm not going to go too deep into the strategy, but I'm going to give you guys a little tip here. So you can actually target specific platforms, so Android versus iOS, if you want to. So inside of your ad here, it's not under audience, it's under placements. So instead of automatic placements, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. What you want to do is select manual placements. And if you want, you can customize where your ad's going to appear here. So if you only want to run on Facebook and not Instagram, you can uncheck that. If you don't want it on these other things like in-stream, in-article, you can do that there. And then it gets even deeper down here, so you can pick operating system. So what you can do to kind of see how iOS 14 is going to affect you is just create 2 campaigns. You can do Android only. And if you want, you can even target specific devices. You could do Samsung Galaxy S4, or you could go to iOS only. And same thing. So any phone that's going to have iOS 14 or later on it, you can enter that right here or exclude those devices. So basically, you can split test Android against iOS and see what the results are actually going to pan out to be, if it's going to be a major issue or not. Or you can just exclude devices that might have iOS 14 altogether if you want to kind of just bypass the whole issue. But that's a really cool way to actually get some results and see how this might affect running ads on Facebook in the future. Again, under manual placements, just scroll down to the specific mobile devices and operating systems. You can choose all Android or iOS only, and then you can add or exclude different devices right here. So hopefully that gives you guys some firepower to combat this and still be successful on Facebook. Make sure your domain is verified. So get this verified so you can run ads without those being paused. And if you need help running ads on Facebook or getting more leads, be sure to watch for the 3-day leads challenge. I'll be announcing later this month. And if you want to get in on that, the best way is actually to just text demo to 319-250-6868. That's going to put you in my sales pipeline in Chirply. You'll see how Chirply works a little bit if you want to use Chirply in your business as well. Super powerful tool. I have a call tomorrow with a couple people who just got a lifetime deal for Chirply with me. I'm going to be walking them through the platform, showing them how to set up all the cool features and stuff like that. So go ahead and text demo to 319-250-6868. What's up, guys? Hope to see you in the next 3-day leads challenge. I want you to go ahead and subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you on the next video.